Is your phone listening to you? Does it feel like you just talked about something and suddenly an ad for it pops up? You're not just imagining things, and it's more complicated than you think. What if I told you there are secrets to online security that most people don't know, leaving them vulnerable to digital attacks? Forget what you've heard. Securing your digital life isn't about being a tech genius, but about knowing a few critical strategies. In this video, we're going to expose the biggest myths about cybersecurity and reveal the surprisingly simple habits that will make you virtually unhackable. Stay tuned, because the first secret I'm about to share could change the way you use your phone forever. All right, let's get straight to it. The biggest myth? That your phone is secretly recording all your conversations. While it's technically possible, it's not the main way companies gather your data. It's much smarter and sneakier than that. They don't need to listen to you 24/7. Instead, they use a web of data points you willingly give them. Think about it. Your search history, the articles you read, the videos you watch, your location data, who you're friends with online, what you like. It's a massive digital footprint. They use powerful algorithms to build a detailed profile of you, predicting what you want, sometimes even before you know you want it. The ad you saw wasn't magic. It was math. It is a calculated guess based on thousands of data points that say you are the perfect customer for that product. Spooky, right? So how do we fight back and take control? It starts with your app permissions. This is your first line of defense. When you download a new app, do you just click accept all? Most of us do, but this is like giving a stranger the keys to your house. Go into your phone's settings right now. Look for app permissions or privacy. You'll be shocked. Does that simple game really need access to your microphone and contacts? Does that photo editor need your location? Absolutely not. Be ruthless. Go through each app and ask, does it really need this? If the answer is no, turn it off. This single 5-minute action dramatically reduces how much data is being collected about you in the background. It's the digital equivalent of locking your doors and windows. Next up, let's talk about public Wi-Fi. We all love it, right? Free internet at the coffee shop or airport. But using public Wi-Fi without protection is like shouting your bank details in a crowded room. These networks are often unsecured, making it incredibly easy for someone on the same network to intercept your data. That means passwords, messages, everything. The solution is simple and incredibly effective: a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic. Think of it as your own private bodyguard for your data. It hides your IP address and scrambles your information, making it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop. Using a good VPN is non-negotiable if you ever connect to public Wi-Fi. There are many great options out there, both free and paid. Do your research and get one. Now for the one we all struggle with, passwords. If you're using password 123 or your pet's name for multiple accounts, you're setting yourself up for disaster. The moment one site is breached, attackers have the key to your entire digital life. The myth is that you need to remember dozens of complex random passwords. The reality is, you don't. The solution is a password manager. These are secure digital vaults that generate and store incredibly strong, unique passwords for every single one of your accounts. All you have to do is remember one single strong master password to unlock the vault. It's a game changer. It makes you exponentially more secure with almost zero effort. Combine this with two-factor authentication, or 2FA, wherever it's offered. That's when a site sends a code to your phone after you enter your password. Even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without your phone. Finally, let's bring it all together. Securing your digital life isn't a one-time fix. It's about building smart habits. Regularly review your app permissions. Always use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Use a password manager and enable 2FA. And be mindful of what you share online. Every like, comment, and share adds to your digital profile. By taking these simple, powerful steps, you're not just protecting your data, you're reclaiming your privacy. You are taking back control from the companies and AI algorithms that want to predict your every move. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips empower you to navigate the digital world more safely and confidently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next guide to mastering your tech. Stay safe out there.